Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2008 ECE paper, and this question is related to electronics. Two identical NMOS transistors M1 and M2 are connected as shown below. V bias is chosen such that both transistors are in saturation. The equivalent GM of the pair defined as dIout by dVi at constant Vout. The equivalent GM of the pair is. So what is the value of GM of the equivalent pair? A. Sum of individual GMs of transistor. B. Product of individual GMs of transistors. C. Nearly equal to GM of M1, nearly equal to GM by G0 of M2. So what was given is both are identical transistors and the biasing voltage is chosen such that both are in the saturation region. Remember that one. M1 and M2 are in saturation. So for NMOS transistor, okay, M1 and M2 are in saturation region. The meaning of saturation region, both are in, is nothing but current flowing through the transistors ID is constant in saturation region. That is the meaning. Current is going to be constant in the saturation region for NMOS transistor. So let ID1 is going to be the current. ID1 is going to be the current flowing in, okay, M1 transistor, and okay, ID2 is going to be the current flowing in. ID1 is the current flowing in M1 transistor, ID2 is the current flowing in the M2 transistor. Assume in that way. Okay, now we will get this one, ID1 and ID2. We will finalize this one. This is ID2, drain of M2, and this current is nothing but ID1. And from this one, if you observe, both the transistors are in series, and the drain current, how much of drain current you are going to get, that much will be the source current. Drain current and source current are always same for NMOS transistor, so that the M2 drain current is nothing but M2 source current, and source current of M2 is nothing but drain current of M1. So drain current of M1 is nothing but source current of M1. So that is going in this way. So you can write from this diagram, Iout is equal to ID2 is equal to ID1. That is, Iout is the current which is flowing in the drain of M2, which is nothing but equal to ID2. The same drain current also flows in M1, so that it is equal to ID1 also. Okay, now GM, equivalent GM is defined as dIout divided by dVi. dIout divided by dVi. Iout is nothing but Iout is equal to ID2, ID2 is equal to ID1. So make it as ID1. Dout can be same as Iout is same as ID1, so that Dout is equal to dID1 by dVi. Vi is nothing but voltage across gate to source. This is nothing but gate of M1 and it is source of M1. So the voltage Vi can be written as VGS1. So dID1 by dVGS1, which is nothing but drain current of M1 by drain to gate to source voltage of M1. So this is nothing but, we can define like this, GM1, transconductance of M1 transistor. Transconductance of M1 transistor is nothing but drain current of M1 divided by gate to source voltage of M1. So equivalent GM is nothing but Dout by dVi, which is the definition given. And from this diagram we can say Iout is equal to ID2 is equal to ID1, because both the transistors are in saturation. In saturation, drain current is constant. So dIout can be written as dID1, and Vi is nothing but VGS1. So this is the change in drain current of M1 divided by change in gate to source voltage, which is nothing but transconductance of M1 transistor, which is nothing but GM1. So equivalent GM is approximately equal to GM1 of M1. So that implies nothing but the right answer is C. Thank you.